Hey everyone, it's Bob and Homesteading with Sadie. How you doing? So, for a while now, I've needed a new grill. This past year for Christmas, they actually gave me a gift card to purchase a new one. And I searched them out. The gift card was for Home Depot. So I went there and I didn't like anything they had on the floor. So I actually went on their webpage and looked it up, and I found this, the Z Grills. And it's from a company in California. So I ordered one, and it took 2 weeks, but it has finally arrived. So today, let's put the bad boy together. Because over the summertime, I do grill a lot. And the two helpers I got are actually laying behind me in their pens, as you can see. They just don't want to get out. Oh, look at that. They gave me a pair of gloves. This is what I'm looking for first. So, simple installation instructions. It seems like nothing simple anymore. I was actually hoping they'd give me something to tell me what tools I need. But let's just go ahead and take it apart here. I mean, everything I see pretty much is pretty self-explanatory. There's the top shelf of the grill. Laid out in parts. Broken styrofoam for my least expected friends. Yes, the cover. And I did order one that comes with a cover. Okay, so now we got the owner's manual. Does this tell me what tools I need? Probably not. Three-year limited warranty. That's messy now. What is it? Assembly instructions. Trigger warnings. Oh, look at that. A whole bunch. There we go. Description. A screwdriver, open end wrench. Does it come with it? It looks like it might come with it. This is heavy. Very much heavy. Alright. Hey, look what's on the bottom. The legs. This one here. Hey, the hardware. The stack.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie to me. drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
Let's see if we got a pair of pliers. What's the matter, Cole? Another pair of pliers. The one that didn't come with.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain. More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry.
Coco and Sadie, they look at me like I'm crazy or something.
More carrots. Don't tear it. More carrots. Where's Garrett?
Vegetables. Vegetables.
Here I come from the west side. The left side. The right brain drives me insane. Don't lie, don't lie, don't lie to me. Don't fry, don't fry, don't fry your brain.
There. And we're done. So, I went and picked up a bag of Expert Grill 5-star hickory oak blend pellets. Now this is, I forgot to mention, I did forget to mention, this is actually a 6-in-1 grill. So it's a Z grill, versatile, grilling, roasting, smoking, braising, baking. This grill, there's up to 6 things you can do with it. So if you like the video, give it a good thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. And we'll see you on the next video. And there's Sleepy 1 and 2. Sadie. Sadie. There they are. Have a good day.